Hi folks, I'm Matthew Ramos, one of the creators of the GarlicShaker. The GarlicShaker is simply the best way to peel garlic, and I'm here today to show you how to use it. First, you break apart your entire head of garlic and you separate the cloves from the paper. You put the cloves into the GarlicShaker and shake it up for anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. Now you want to start with a very dry head of garlic. Most garlic that comes from the grocery store is a little bit too freshly out of the ground to use, so you want to store it on your kitchen counter for anywhere from 5 to 7 days. And we find the shaking action to be fun and easy, way better than hand peeling garlic. And boom! There you have it. Fresh peeled garlic, ready to use.